Hey guys, today we are having a look at Lenovo's bit more budget range laptop, but it's still, I think, a good quality machine. This is a 10th gen i3. It's got a SSD in it. The thing is, with this SSD, we saw that it is on board. You cannot upgrade it. So I believe, yeah, it's a fixed SSD, and this laptop is what it is. This is what they call it, I think just Lenovo 15, the V15, yeah. It says V15, and as you can see, 4 gig of RAM. Not much further to say about the specs. What is nice is this has got Windows 10 Pro, so this is actually a nice machine to give to your people working in the office or stuff like that. So let's have a look and see how it looks inside. It's interesting. Lenovo actually, on the box you can see you can use this box to carry the laptop in like a bag or something. If you punch these out and you lift this one up, then you've got like handles, and you can use this box as a bag. Okay, so let's have a look. I do not have a lot of space here, so my angle of view is a bit narrow, but yeah, at least we'll be able to see the laptop. Yeah, okay, you can see the whole machine. The box is actually much bigger than the laptop itself. So there you go. It's got a nice Lenovo branding there. The top of it is like textured. It's a rough top side. The bottom has got nice rubber feet. I see that they've, on this model, have used decent screws, and the whole build quality feels a bit better than the previous model. So as I said, this is a 10th gen. I don't know if you're already getting 11th gens, but this is the first time we get this, and I'm just quickly having a look at how it looks. On this one also, the power button is integrated on the keyboard. All the laptops of the Lenovo's or the Lenovos these days are going that way. So the mouse pad, it's just a nice big touchpad. There you can see the 10th gen i3 logo. What they do on these machines is they have a little light for your num lock. You can see if it's on or not, and they also have a little light on your caps lock, so you can see if that's on or not. So that's handy when you're typing passwords or documents or whatever, and you don't know if you're tapping caps or lowercase. Yeah, that's about it. We have already charged it. It does not come charged out of the box normally. You have to first charge it up, and yeah, that's about everything I can say about this machine. So also in the box you get your power brick, power adapter. These are 20 volts, 2 point something amps. So yeah, that's your charging pin. So let's check the machine. On the sides, quickly we can have a look at the ports. This has got two USB 3s, one USB 2, HDMI charging port, your power and your charging lights. And then on this side you have your audio jack. This is a headset or headphones jack, or whatever headset jack. It can take a TRRS plug, and then you can have your mic and audio on that, and then you've got your card reader there and a reset button. If the machine ever gives you any problem, like doesn't want to switch on or whatever, you can just hold in the reset button and it disconnects the battery for a while. You cannot remove the batteries on these kind of machines. Everybody's going to ask me, can it play games? Well, I'm sure you can play card games on it. A bit of Roblox maybe, stuff like that. Easy on the graphics stuff. It's got an Intel graphics card in it, so it depends on what you want to play. So thanks for watching.